This story is called Pullaya Washes the Clothes. One day Vengabamba calls out Pullaya and says, Pullaya, here look at this mound of dirty clothes. You need to wash them today. As Pullaya looks quizzically at her, she realizes that Pullaya doesn't really know how to wash the clothes. She says, first soak all the clothes in a lot of water. After the clothes have soaked for about an hour, add some kunkudkailu or soap nut seeds to it. After this has sat for another half an hour, stamp the clothes along with the soap nuts with your legs. Make sure your legs are clean. This will release a lot of soap bubbles. Stop after a large amount of soap bubbles are created. Then wait for 1 more hour. After that, take the clothes out and bash them on a nice rock. See this rock lying right next to the well? This is a good place where you can bash the clothes. After you have bashed the clothes for about 2 to 3 times each, set them aside. There are some other steps, but if I tell you everything, you may not remember. Do one thing. When you finish these steps, call me. I will tell you what to do next. Having said that, Vengabamba goes off into the kitchen to take care of other work. After about an hour, she wonders what Pullaya is up to and decides to check on Pullaya. When she comes to the well, she notices that a very thick rope is tied to the pulley that is hanging on the well. The rope leads into the well and it seems like there is something very heavy dangling from that rope. When she gets closer to the well, she gets aghast. She notices that Pullaya is inside the well and is trying to climb up. She says, Pullaya, what are you up to? Pullaya, as he comes closer to the roof of the well, hangs on to the edge of the well and says, Ammai Garu, you told me that I have to soak the clothes in a lot of water. I took all the clothes and threw them into the well. The well has a lot of water in it, more than enough to clean all the clothes. Then, like you told me, I allowed the clothes to soak for 1 hour, added the soap nuts. I am trying to use my legs in order to generate the soap bubbles, but no matter how hard I try, soap bubbles are not coming. So I thought of climbing out, adding more soap nuts. Maybe that would work. Vengabamba says, Oh fool, this is not how you do it. When I told you to soak the clothes in a lot of water, I meant fetch a very big vessel or a huge bucket and soak the clothes in that bucket. Who would imagine that you would jump into the well to wash the clothes? Do one thing, first take out all those clothes. Pullaya proceeds to go back into the well. Vengabamba says, What on earth are you doing now? Pullaya says, Madam, you only told me to go back into the well and fetch the clothes. You fool, I told you to fetch the clothes. For that you don't have to go back into the well. Do one thing, get that gallum from the storeroom. The gallum has a lot of hooks on it. Tie that gallum to a rope, throw it into the water. The clothes will get entangled in those hooks and then you can pull the clothes out. Go, fetch it quickly. After Pullaya removes the clothes, Vengabamba then sits right next to Pullaya and shows him exactly how to wash the clothes.